The raccoon's black eyes. Once upon a time, the animals in the forest heard a bad news. They heard that a huge ball of fire was going to flash past the earth and burn everything in it. All the animals got scared. They feared that they would all get killed within moments. "Come, let's seek the counsel of the wise owl," said the elephant. They went to the owl. They trusted him and knew that he would tell them what to do. "What are we going to do?" asked the animals. The owl thought for a while, remaining silent. "Are we all going to be killed?" cried the rabbit. "Will the waters of the rivers and oceans dry up?" asked the jackal. "Are fruits like bananas fireproof?" asked the agile monkey, who was fond of bananas. "Will there be no honey left in the trees?" enquired the black bear, who was now visibly disturbed. The wise owl finally broke his silence and spoke. "Don't bother about it," said the owl. "What we need to think about is how we are going to save our lives. And there's only one way to do that. We have to dig a big tunnel so that all of us hide in it till the ball of fire passes away from us." Now each one of the animals got excited. "Wow, come, let's join together to build a big tunnel." All the animals started to dig into the hillside with paw spades, shovels, and anything they could find useful. Within a few days, the animals succeeded in making the biggest tunnel one had never seen. The tunnel was so big that all the mud, stones, rocks that were dug out had turned into a huge hill. "Now, what shall we do next?" asked the animals from the owl. "Dear eagle," said the owl, "your eyes are sharper than other animals' eyes. So it will be your job to sit on top of this hill and look out for the ball of fire." And the animals stocked the tunnel with plenty of food so that they don't stay hungry inside the tunnel. The owl spoke. "Don't forget, after the animals are inside, the mouth of the tunnel has to be closed completely. Not even a fly should be able to get out of the tunnel." But the monkey was worried. "How will I find my bananas in the tunnel's dark inside?" he asked. The bear, who was standing nearby, spoke. "You fool, don't you know there are fireflies inside the tunnel to light up the place? You can see everything inside the tunnel." All of a sudden, the eagle saw the huge ball of fire and swooped down from his perch on top of the hill. "I see the ball of fire," he shouted and ordered. "Quick, everybody get inside the tunnel." All the animals rushed into the tunnel. "It's now time to seal the mouth of the tunnel," said the wise owl. On hearing the order, the big elephant quickly moved the huge rock at the tunnel's mouth into place. Every animal held its breath. There was tension inside the tunnel. The animals could hear the roar of the fireball hurtling towards the earth with a mighty roar. "Aha, this is my chance to be a hero," thought the raccoon. "I'll look out and tell everyone what the huge ball of fire looks like." So he closed his ears and glued his eyes to the little crack. It was bright that the raccoon was forced to close his eyes. The next second he turned around and declared, "The ball of fire is gone, we are all safe now." All the animals inside the tunnel stared at the raccoon in surprise. "Why are you staring at my face? What's wrong with me?" he asked. He did not know that the fur around his eyes was burnt black. The ball of fire swept past the tunnel with great speed. Swoosh!